may I inform the governor that Meghalaya is not a Hindi-speaking state. We condemn the governor for addressing us in the language we don't understand. And here it speaks out very clearly that the business of the assembly shall be transacted in English. So through you, sir, may I inform the governor that Meghalaya is not a Hindi-speaking state. I would also like to remind each one of us that the people and the leaders of the state decided to part ways with Assam because the Assam government tried to impose Assamese as an official language. So, sir, I feel that we should not allow this to become a tradition in this August House, sir. The governor should address to us in the language we understand, sir.